Brought you a friend.
He's like, is that this?
No, not that one, Lovey.
Oh man, he really thinks it's the...
If you want to ask me what can love do, then here. If you're feeling weaker, just learn to master the art of surprise attack. Even when fully awake, dogs still can't believe what's happening. A simple yet effective way to make cuddles much more emotional. Okay, was she born in September or what? And is she a Virgo? Bro doesn't say a thing, but that hilarious face tells all his helplessness.
Не, блядь, это как? Это что?
It's when you realize that even cats have lovers and you don't. There are cats loving gentle things, and there are ones like her.
That's rude, Jade. That's just real rude.
Always has to be the center of attention. No exception is allowed. Bro knows he's not as handsome as other cats, so there is only one way. Life may have many challenges, but none can defeat it. Or maybe some can.
Go help her! Oh no! Go help her!
Evidence is gathered. Let's take him to the police station. Perhaps this little one's dream was to become the top DJ. Everything can be solved with a nap, according to the cat. Oh ho! Is that a challenge? Hope you won't regret, human. I'm coming.
Amor, você não tá vendo o pingo aqui?
Pingo! 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 Mas como isso aqui, pingo? Como isso aqui fica saudável, pingo? Pingo!
Okay, you're done, buddy. It's my turn now.